Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Delta Rules. In today's video, we got more unusual options activities. Now, guys, remember the information presented by Delta Rules is for educational purposes only. Trading stocks and options involve risks that are not suitable for all investors. Please make sure to always do your own due diligence. Now, guys, if you ended up on this video and you don't know anything about options trading or about how options work, I do have 3 courses down below that will teach you about options from top to bottom, as well as a video showing you how to set up a scanner on Thinkorswim for unusual options activities. Having said that, the first stock that we're going to be going into today is going to be COLM. And they are, let me actually take a look here. All right, Columbia Sportswear. So they are actually they are a company that makes and sells active lifestyle apparel. That is pretty much what they do. Coming down here to the option time and sales, or actually coming down here to the option chain for the 15th of October, we could actually tell that there's quite a bit of volume for those 110 calls. Now coming down here to the option time and sales, we could actually tell that the 110 calls were purchased right at the ask price, 10 cents below the ask price. As you guys could tell, it's quite of a big spread. So, you know, I'm assuming on this one they got it, they bought it, they are long these options. I did take a look at the graph, at the chart, and the chart is also telling me that they did buy these. So this is the first one that I'm looking at. The second one that I have for you guys is going to be FIVN. And FIVN is in the business of provisioning cloud software for contact centers. That is pretty much what they do. Coming over here to FIVN, we could actually tell that 63% of the options that were purchased today, of the call options that were purchased today, were purchased at the ask price. Coming down here to the option time and sales, we could actually tell that there was quite a bit of purchasing for the short-term call options, specifically the 180 and the 190s. Now, if we take a look at this, we could see that someone is shorting the 165. Someone is shorting the October 165, which is completely in the money. Now, someone could be shorting it, and someone could also be getting out of this position. However, if we come down here, we could actually tell that this was a spread. So it does look like someone is trying to take advantage of the short-term movement of the stock, but is bearish long-term. So this is definitely something I'm looking at, just because of the short-term options that they have been purchasing on here. So, and the short-term options is what I'm going to be looking at myself. I won't get involved with the long-term options, and I will be quick to take profits on this one because of the long-term options that they're actually shorting. Now, coming over here to the chart, we could actually tell that it's trading below the 20 and the 50. It does look like it's bouncing back. So this is definitely something I'm looking at. Another thing that I didn't do was show you the chart for the previous stock. I apologize for that. So let me actually do that real quick. And there we go. This were the 110 calls, and coming over here to the chart, we could actually tell that it has been consolidating for the past 4 months or so. And it just looks like there's someone coming over here and just betting that the stock will break out. It is a low volatility stocks. Both of the stocks that I brought to you are low volatility, so they do not move much. So, you know, as you guys could tell, volatility is very low. So these are the 2 that I'm looking at today. I really appreciate everybody that has been liking, subscribing. I really love you guys. Stay safe out there.